page. Are wireframes for design really necessary? I feel it's a waste of time, so I designed directly on Squarespace. But I could be wrong. Reese. Hi Reese! Creating wireframes in Adobe XD or Figma is definitely not a requirement, but I personally find it helpful in creating more unique designs. It is a lot easier and faster to move things around and explore layouts in visual editors like Adobe XD, Figma, or Canva, whatever visual editors you prefer, because this helps our creativity to flow. Notice in this project that I was easily able to try different assets and layouts using the same brief. And when I was exploring a layout for our directory, I also just easily explored layouts using Adobe XD. Of course, working with the Squarespace editor helps you assess what's possible right away. But sometimes that leads to websites that are too repetitive and what I call too Squarespacey. To simplify the wireframe process though, I created a wireframe kit in Figma and Adobe XD that already has default icons, shapes, and elements in Squarespace, so we can leverage these as starting points. But exploring layouts beyond these starting elements can definitely lead to more distinctive designs. So Reese, I hope that encourages you to consider including wireframing in your design process.